Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is 9 to the power of t and this equals t to the power of 243. We are solving for the value of t that satisfies this equation. Now, if you observe, there is t here and we need to eliminate this t. So I'm going to multiply this exponent by 1 over t and do the same thing here. I have 9 to the power of t raised to the power of 1 over t. And this equals t power 243 raised to the power of 1 over t. Now, if you have a power n raised to the power of n, this equals a power n times n. Apply this right here. I'll have 9 power t times 1, that is t divided by t. And this equals t power 243 times 1, that is 243 divided by t. Now let's consider this. T divided by t is 1. So I have 9 equals t power 243 divided by t. Now this is a number, variable. I can as well eliminate this 243. So I'm going to multiply this exponent by 1 over 243 again. I have 9 power 1 over 243 equals t power 243 divided by t raised to the power of 1 over 243. Then I consider this identity. I have a power n raised to the power of n equals a power n times n. I multiply this out. What I'm going to have is 9 power 1 over 243 equals t power 243 times 1. That is 243 divided by 243t. So right now, let's cancel this. What I'm going to have will simply be, we have 9 power 1 over 243 equals t power 1 over t. So what you need to know is that we have t here. At the base, we have t here. At the denominator of the exponent, 9 at the base, and we have 243 here. So what we can do is to ensure that we make the base and this to be the same so that it will correspond to the fact that the t and the t are the same. So how do we achieve that? We make use of what we call the equivalent fractions. If I have 1, this is just like writing 2 over 2. It's just like writing 3 over 3. Now, I need a number that I'm going to insert here that will make this to be the same. So I can easily have this as 9 power 1 times 1 over 243. And this equals t power 1 over t. Now look at it here. 1 is 2 over 2, is the same thing as 3 over 3, is the same thing as 4 over 4. But I want a number that will make this base here to be the same as the 243 that we have here. So in order to achieve that, I'm going to replace this one here with its equivalent, which is 3 over 3. 3 over 3 is the only one that can give us that. I have 9 power 3 over 3 times 1 over 243. And this equals t power 1 over t. So I multiply 3 times 1, that is 3. I have 9 power, this is 3 divided by 3 times 243. You have 243 times 3. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12. 2 cover 1. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 to 9. This equals t power 1 over t. So what do we do? The 9 is still here, but now we have 3 and we have 243. I can factor out this 3. I can have it as 9 power 3 times 1 over 24729. And this equals t power 1 over t. So, remember, if you have a power n raised to the power of m, this equals a power n times n. So I can have this as 9 power 3 raised to the power of 1 over 729. And this equals t power 1 over t. Now, we need to find the value of 9 power 3. That is 9 times 9 times 9. And this equals 9 times 9, 81. 81 times 9. 9 times 1, 9. 9 times 8. So that will give you 72. So you have 729. So this is 729 power 1 over 729 equals t power 1 over t. So what happens here is that this and this are the same. This and this are the same. So right now, this 729 here is the same as the 729 here. And also, the t here is the same as this t here. If you have a power a equals b power b, or this is 1 over a and this is 1 over b, then I can say that 1 over 729 equals 1 over t. So if you cross multiply, you have t times 1 and 729 times 1. So you have t equals 729. So this is the value of t that we have gotten. Now the next thing we are going to do will be to insert this particular value back into the equation. And let's check if it's going to satisfy the equation. I have t equals 729. I have 9 power t equals t power 243. I insert 729 for t. 9 power 729 equals 729 power 243. What are we going to do? Remember, 729 equals 9 times 9 times 9. That means 729 equals 9 power 3. So I'm going to have 9 power 729 equals 9 power 3 raised to the power of 243. I can multiply this exponent out using the identity of a power n raised to the power of n equals a power n times n. So I'm going to have 9 power 729 equals 9 power 3 times 243. 3 times 243. So what is 3 times 243? 243 times 3. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12. 2 carry over 1. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 to 9. So you have 9 power 7 to 9 equals 9 power 7 to 9. So the left hand side here equals the right hand side. So this satisfies the equation, and that means the answer, which is 7 to 9, is obviously very correct. So ladies and gentlemen, that is it, and this is how you can solve this exponential problem and find the value of t. Thank you and see you again.